In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over the KastKing Bait Boss Pro fishing bag. Check this out. This is actually a fishing backpack. This is really cool because what it is, it has two spots for rods here. I have the KastKing, you know, this is the Royal, kind of KastKing Royal rod with a reel, and this is the B&M kind of ceramic rod with reel. And look how these things fit so perfectly right here. There's a little Velcro closure, and it just holds your rods. So you can carry two rods pretty easy right on the side right there. And then right there, they kind of drop down in there. This one is a two-piece rod, so it's easy to kind of like put down in there. I'll take that out. I'm just gonna take the things out of the bag and kind of show you how I have it set up mostly. So there's the little BMN. This is one of the best crappie rods you can get, by the way. That's the little ribbon tail. So if you're doing some crappie fishing, look at that action on that tip. Is that not a great action? Look at that. So I'll put that aside. Up here, you get two pockets right here. Go over these. This thing is loaded with pockets. I have the juice. That's my jig for bass. There's just kind of like a little crankbait pocket there. Down here, you've got extra storage for pockets here. Actually, they give you some extra zippers with this. So if you ever break the zippers on this thing, there's some extra zippers. I'm just going to put the tags in there. And check out the top. So at the top, you see what that is? That's for glasses. I've got a set of keys so you can put your sunglasses down in there. Got a handle. They built a handle in so you can carry it right there. You've got a water bottle. This water bottle, that's my Podium Camelback water bottle. That works perfectly right there. That one, that's what I actually recommend for a water bottle. Check out how nice that holds that water bottle in it. Oh, while I got it up here, look at that. Oh, we got some diesels coming. Hold on, let's let these diesels go by. Whoa, look at the size of that pipe. Look at that, everybody. There's actually, they thought out this. This is a spot for pliers. So you see that? And then look, I can't, if I drop them, they lock in because I got them locked in to a ring right there. So pretty cool that they have pliers on there. This is the KastKing net. And what they've done, this has the hook on it. You see all these little molly straps right here? I run some extra D-rings on these molly straps. There's extra storage in here that I have my cell phone or a power bank. So a way to charge batteries, cell phones. You got the front pocket right there, KastKing logo on it right there. Big, huge pocket. I'll get into this in a minute because that's really cool in there. Other side, let's go ahead and flip it around here, right here. Patches, check that out. It comes with a US flag, good old American flag already comes on it. I have more patches that I can put on it though. In here, I just have a set of these gloves. These are the KastKing kind of fishing gloves. I actually like these gloves a lot. I didn't think I'd wear gloves much until I got these. Extra little pockets here. And then this top one, let me show you this top one. Open this up. Oh, it comes with 4 of these things. Believe it or not, it comes with 4. These I'm not using. I have 4 in here. Let me show you how I have these set up. Up here, we're gonna open this up. What I like about this area here, it comes with spots for, check that out. I got the big bites right there. This is for soft plastics. I can load this down. That is a lot of storage for soft plastics. And then I think I have the, oh, these are the biospawns. I like these biospawns. If you're doing bass fishing, that's a good bait for a bass fishing. Extra line. This is the KastKing monofilament line. Always carry me some extra line just in case I need to add some leaders or something like that on. But now we get into here. You see how there's extra room up here? Look at all of this room. This is designed for the 3600 boxes. Check this out. I absolutely love this feature. So big, nice zippers. These zippers are actually really cool looking zipper. The little grabs, they're molded parts on them. Look at this, everybody. Does that not look awesome? And it's got a Velcro that holds them. Look at this. This is my hooks. So there's all of my hooks and my weights right there. This is the utility tray, the KastKing utility. I think they call this the bait vault. You can see the ones I use, 3600. These are the bait vault. But then this one is this is the more premium one. This one's just the KastKing. Can't remember the actual name of this one, but I love this box, everybody. You notice how I have all my topwater lures in here? Because this one is a very premium, kind of like waterproof sealed. So you see all of my frogs. Even got me a little turtle. I might use the turtle today. So yeah, and this has the damp proof in here because I want these are, as you know, these the top waters are not cheap. Have that in there. And then these Check that out. There's some extra one of these right here, but check this out. You can run them vertical like this or flat. I'm running them flat just like this. And let me show you. You can put more than 4 in here. So right there you have access to 4, but if you open this up, you could probably put 2, 3. I'm gonna say you could put 8 to 10 3600 boxes in here. Absolutely amazing as far as like those boxes like that. And then once it's all in here, this material on here is a ripstop type nylon. Feels like it's slightly waterproof. I would say it's more water resistant, but if it does start raining on you, check this out. Y'all see what that is? That is a rain shield. So if it starts raining on us, we can just throw this over top of it. They actually put a little rain shield down inside this thing. So you've got a little small pocket right here on the strap. This is what I'd put a snack in, or my fishing license, if I got fishing license or something for whatever area I'm fishing, put those in there. Reflective striping right in here. And then believe it or not, they actually made this like a true backpack. That is metal. There's an aluminum rod that runs through here with padding. You see the amount of padding that's on that thing for lifting it off of there so it doesn't get hot on your back. Let me go ahead and put this thing on, and let me show you some of the features. Let me show you what it looks like while I'm wearing it on here. Okay, let me go ahead and throw this thing on right now. You see this padding right there? Very nicely padded. They have this area right here for locking in, tightening up. And then you pull these down right like that. And there you go. There's the complete setup right there. You can move these down. These do come down to get more across the chest. And see how there's a little bit of elastic right there? I like that a lot, by the way. All right, there it is. I just went through all the features of it and showed you everything that was on this backpack. This is one of the items that I'm going to be using definitely amongst my travels here, especially when I go to these lakes like this, when I'm not kayak fishing. I'm just going to grab this. So what I'm going to do, this is my bank fishing backpack setup. I've got my crappie rod and my bass rod, and this is something just grab and go. Absolutely love this setup. This is something I recommend for any fisherman, or, you know, if you want to get it for a gift or something for a fisherman, this is something I recommend. You will not be disappointed in this bag. One of the best backpack fishing bags, so well thought out and very quality made bags that I've seen in my travels anyway. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the KastKing Bait Bass Pro. Try to say that fast. Bait Bass Pro fishing backpack. See y'all in the next video.